That last sentence that I take my jacket.
We don't have to write it.
I mean, you could.
I use it.
I would use it. I'm writing it. I take my jacket. Off the back, I'm not going to write every single word. I'm just going to get the main parts. I take my jacket, grab my backpack. You guys see the dot, dot, dot that shows that there's a continuation, right? Just for note-taking purposes. I grab my jacket. I grab my backpack. And sneak out. Before anyone notices that no one came. That's what I want to take from the text. Now, what does this make me think of, all right? Have I been in a situation where I grab my things and I try to sneak out of a situation? Absolutely, right? So, when I activate my schema, I know that in those moments, I probably was embarrassed. Right? That's a feeling that we all have, right? We're all get embarrassed at times. It goes away. Makes it temporary. Ashamed is another word. Same thing. Or, I wasn't interested. When I activate my schema, that's what I remember about situations like that. Whenever I felt like I had to sneak out of something, especially for this part where it says no one has came from me, I know that that's rooted in embarrassment and being ashamed, which led to me not being interested anymore. So an inference that I can draw, right? A character trait that I can say about Jay because of all of this, because she left, because she's communicating to us that she's embarrassed without actually saying it, right? Especially when you look at the key detail at the end that says, before anyone notices that no one came for me, right? Will lead me to believe that, one, she's skeptical. Right? Also, and I want your help on this, Amy. The word insecure. Are we considering that a feeling or a trait? Because it can last longer than, right?
I think it could be both. In this case, it could be a trait. That one is different because you can grow out of that, right?
Indeed.
With confidence. But there's a lot of people who act a certain way because they're insecure, right? It's not like sad. Like when I'm sad, I can get over it in a couple hours, right? Or like in like 20 minutes, right? Mm-hmm. But not lacking confidence, I can't get over that really fast, right?
It sticks with you for a little bit longer, right? So there's certain feelings that stick with you longer than it being temporary, and it does. I'm going to say it's okay